Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss about the entrepreneurship. So first of all, we will discuss why seek an enterprise. Why we seek an enterprise. So entrepreneur seeks an enterprise because it results in creating goods and services which bring happiness, joy, comfort, and peace. Every human being looks for the world full of happiness, joy, comfort, and peace. In order to bring this, the entrepreneur look for the opportunity for converting challenges into comfort. Setting up of an enterprise is setting up of a venture which brings about the change. Clear? Why we seek enterprise? Because everyone wants a world of happiness. So through the enterprise, we change our challenges into comfort. Clear, Buddha? Then, what is the need and importance of enterprise? So, entrepreneurship is an important for national growth and social development. Most of the developing countries have the history of long year of foreign domination. They have attained freedom recently. The most common problem they are facing is to conserve the outflow of limited national wealth and fulfilling the demand for consumer goods and services by locally producing them. They are also facing the problem of foreign exchange. These countries need to import capital goods and technology, and major resources of foreign exchange is export. In short, we can say that the present condition demand developing countries to first one is produce important substitute goods to stop outflow of national wealth. Second one is produce more and more consumer goods and services to meet the increasing demand of these goods locally. And the third one is produce goods for export purpose to earn more and more foreign exchange. Clear? So here it is told that if we are talking about the world, most of the countries is dominated by the foreign invaders. India is also India was also facing the same problem. We were also dominated by the Britishers, and they have spoiled our economy. So to regain our economy, the concept of enterprise is very important. Clear? You read in social science how British have destroyed our economy. So why we choose an entrepreneurship? So answer is simple: to produce more goods and services. Clear? And if we are producing more and more goods services, the excess goods can be exported, and if we are exporting, we can have good or lump sum foreign exchange, which is very necessary for a developing country. If we have good foreign exchange, then we will be in comfortable zone. So all the requirement can be met by more and more entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs bear the cost and risk of launching a new venture, developing new product, adopting new technology, and developing new market. So entrepreneur offers a new strategy of development. The diagram which is showing on your screen shows import substitute goods. So it can be classified: entrepreneurship must raise production of consumer goods and services, increase in national product, and export product and services. So this diagram is also very useful to understanding import of substitute goods. I hope this topic is clear to you. It is a starting of the topic. As we will go ahead, you will understand each and everything clearly. Okay, so right now remember only these things. Okay, thank you so much.